As we've learned in previous lessons, we can use the various pen tools and anchor point and conversion tools and everything else to define shapes, vector shapes in our Photoshop documents. These shapes in turn are defined by paths, and the paths are defined by anchor points, which are these little dots. I'll just use our direct selection tool to click into the path. So each one of these little spots here, these points, they're called anchors. They're anchor points. And these little handles pulling out, well, they define the Bezier curves, which are the curves that are connecting these points. So 2 points can be connected by a straight line, or else you can have one of these Bezier curves, and that's defined by the handles. So adding and removing these anchors then is a really important point, a really important part of the process of creating detailed and visually pleasing vector graphics within Photoshop. The delete anchor point tool allows us to remove anchor points that we no longer want to have in the document. So if you've made an error and you believe that the image would look better without a certain anchor point, then you can come in and you can simply click on it with the delete anchor point tool to remove it. I'm actually damaging this graphic, but we're just doing it to show you how it works. So come along and click whichever anchor points you feel need to be removed from your path. And that's the delete anchor point tool. Very simple. Obviously the converse of the add anchor point tool.